Hi, if you use GoDaddy and you're frustrated about the lack of customer service and also the poor quality of service for your WordPress website, this video is for you because I'm going to give you some unvarnished and unpaid information about a great alternative. This is Charlie Zeiss with Stargate Pyramid. Most of the time you're going to see me talking about geometry, sacred geometry of pyramids and other things of a pyramid nature. But recently I had to rebrand my company, and my host was GoDaddy. And I've been disappointed in their service for quite some time, and they disappointed me so much over the last 3 weeks that I decided to go ahead and make some changes. And I wanted to tell you about that today. Specifically, I had to change the name of my website. And that was the reason why I finally had to get back in touch with GoDaddy. My old website was called onlypvcpyramids.com, and I had rebranded to stargatepyramids.com. And what I asked them to do was not particularly difficult. I asked them to change the name of my website to stargatepyramids.com, which they were able to do. But I asked them to also redirect my old website name, onlypvcpyramids.com, to my new website. And this is where the disaster started and has continued for the last 3 weeks. So I wanted to tell you that those of you who've had the same kind of frustration, I called last week and had to talk to a supervisor who promised to get back to me, and of course they didn't. So it finally prompted me to go and look for a new company. And so I am not getting paid a dime to make this video. I am just so impressed with these new people. They're called SiteGround, SiteGround. They have been absolutely amazing. I went to them on Sunday. Got set up with a new account. They have switched the thing over. This is Monday night, so it's been less than 48 hours. Everything is working perfectly. Not only is my new website up and running, they have redirected the Only PVC Pyramids. People were getting messages for danger because they said my site was unsecure. I have no idea how much business I've lost, but these guys have been phenomenal. They're actually from Bulgaria, but their prices are great. I am not paid to say anything about this company, but they have been spectacular. They are very courteous, polite, and quite honestly, I know this may sound politically incorrect, they have a better grasp of the English language than a lot of the customer service people do at GoDaddy, and they're a lot more knowledgeable and efficient. So I have nothing to say but positive things about SiteGround. You can find them at SiteGround.com. And if you have any questions, I am actually happy to answer any questions you may have on their behalf, but they are fantastic, and I cannot recommend them highly enough. So for those of you who are ready to get out of GoDaddy and find something better, SiteGround, especially for WordPress, is a great alternative. They're one of the 3 approved website companies for WordPress, which GoDaddy is not, by the way. And I have found an immediate improvement in the speed of my website now that it's over with SiteGround as well. So you've got lower prices, fantastic customer service, and responsiveness on the part of their customer service people. So a great opportunity to move. I thank you for listening, and you have a great day.